the artist quarters. In today's video, we're going to show you how we found rocks on the riverbed and made them into a rain chain.
Now we're down by this little creek bed where the stream's passing between a lot of loose rocks. This should be a nice prime spot.
Just some Swiss cheese looking rock.
The Swiss cheese rocks, these are actually really cool, and we're gonna make something out of those. We'll probably like hang those from something.
Or make a wind chime or something.
We're gonna make something really cool out of all those. Today what I'm doing is taking these rocks that we found when we were out hunting for fossils. They look like Swiss cheese, and up here I'm making a rain chain out of rocks. So I'm wiring these one by one together. See, the light passes through the holes. It's kind of cool. Super cool rocks. This one's pretty cool. Almost looks like a skull. But I'll find a cool place to hang that when I'm done.
Papa?
Yeah.
How you going here?
It's good. I'm just linking more rocks through these holes.
I see you're now at sitting down level.
Yep, and see, I take the pliers here and just spin these around so it's nice and tight and secure. And then after I get them to be about like so secure, I'll give them a spin just like that. Isn't that cool?
Nice. Really cool.
Now I gotta pick out another rock from up here. Here's a nice one. Look at that hole. So watch this. I'll take my wire. I'll feed it through that hole, and then down through this hole, and then up, and then down, and then I'll take my clippers here. I'll cut that. And give that one a spin again. Around.
Just like before.
Yep.
And just keep doing that.
Yep.
Look at this rain chain Papa made. And with the Swiss cheese rocks. Now watch while we put some water through them.
Got a big heavyweight one on the bottom there.
Look what it looks like with the water running down it. It's nice.
Very cool. Now we'll just have to find a nice spot to hang that. Somewhere on the pergola would be cool. Okay, there's the final resting spot for the rock rain chains. Got that wire twisted into a garden spike into the ground so it doesn't move.
When we're working in our artist quarters and it starts to sprinkle and rain, the rain chains look and sound really cool. See what they look like. Thanks for watching this episode of the Artist Quarters Twin Cities Adventures. Out.